Hi, it's Vic. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a fun 3D donut box card with you today. So my donut box card is made using the silhouette machine, and it's a Laurie Whitlock file, I believe. So this is the first time that I've made something and I'm putting it together. So what I've done here, I've just cut out the 3 shapes that I need for my donut box card, and then on your machine it will do the score lines too, so that's really handy. So I've just got some PVA glue and I'm just applying these to the folds of the box card, and then I'm just using my thumb and fingers just to gently squeeze this and give it a pinch just to make sure the glue's all secure, and that should hold the box together nicely. And now I'm just going to piece the donut pieces together, so the machine does all the hard work for you. This is actually really fun putting this together. So this is the base for my donut, and I've gone ahead and used 3 different colours of card for this. So I have the black piece, which is for the eyes, and then a light brown card for the actual donut, and then the pink for the icing. So it just looks so cute. And what I'm doing here, I'm just putting some more PVA glue on the flaps, and then I'm going to secure this down. And when I was making this, it needs to fold as it is on screen, so just make sure that you line the middle piece up correctly, otherwise it won't fold very well. And now I'm just going ahead and making the window. So this comes in 2 pieces, so as I'm going to be stamping an image, I've moved that middle piece, so I've just put that to the side for the minute, and now I'm going ahead and just adhering all the other pieces of card that go on the truck. Okay, so now I'm just adding the last little bits to my truck, and I think I've got everything where it's meant to be. Probably not knowing me, I've probably got something upside down, but never mind. So I'm just sticking the window down, and then what I'm going to be doing with that piece that I saved, I've got the Time for Tea Designs Bake with Love stamp set and Treat Yourself. And I'm just stamping up that little mouse that comes with the Treat Yourself stamp set. So I'm stamping him so it looks like he's peering through the window. And then the mice that I'm just stamping, they're from the Baked with Love stamp set. So I thought they'd look really cute because that one there looks like he's going to be smelling the donuts. And then this little mouse, when you use the coordinating dies, it cuts his paws so he's able to hold something. So now I've got the Treat Yourself stamp set, and I'm just stamping out some donuts. And I thought these would look really cool on the truck, especially because I'm going to be using some acetate to hold them down, so I will show you how I've done that in a second. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I coloured the mice. I've got my Copic markers and I've listed the markers on screen, and then I'm just going to colour in the donuts. And then once I've done that, I've got the coordinating dies, so I'm going to be using them to die cut the images out afterwards. And then the mouse that's able to hold something. I was planning for the mouse to hold the donut, but it was too big, so I ended up stamping a strawberry, which is again from the Treat Yourself stamp set, so he was able to hold that. And then I also went ahead and stamped another one of the little mouse, which is from the Treat Yourself stamp set. So I've just colouring in this one that I previously stamped, and then you'll see the other little mouse in a second. So he's going to be added to the truck as well. So now I've got some acetate and I've just cut a little strip down, and I've got some double-sided tape. So on one end I'm sticking the image down, and then on the bottom end I will then apply some more double-sided tape, so that when it adheres down it looks like that they're almost floating. So I think this is a really cool thing to do to sort of make your cards a little bit more exciting, and it's fun as well. So that's what I've done here. I've already added the acetate pieces to the other donuts, and now I'm just adhering these last ones down. And then for that little mouse I've just got some foam pads, and I'm just adhering all the other images using some foam pads to make them a little bit more dimensional. And here's that mouse that can hold the strawberry, which I think is just so sweet. So I'm just adhering him down and making sure that the card is able to fold properly, which it does. And then for my sentiment, I've used some Waffle Flower stamps. This is the Jars Sentiment stamp set, and I've got some Papermilldirect pink cards. So I've gone ahead and heat embossed this with some white embossing powder, and then I'm just going ahead and doing exactly the same process I done before with the acetate. So I'm just applying some double-sided tape to both sides of the acetate, and then I'm adhering that down, so again it looks like it's floating. And that is my first project done on the silhouette machine. And here's the finished card. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.